Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Apple CarPlay not working on iPhone after update iOS 17. So how to fix this issue on iPhone? So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So you have to not miss uh, any steps. You have first of all fix this problem. You have ensure CarPlay is enabled on your iPhone. So you have open the setting and tap on general, and then you have click on CarPlay, and then you have I have already Bluetooth is turned off, then you have is already turned on, and then you have reconnect your car to the app. Also turn on the option of allow CarPlay while locked, and then other solution you have Siri is turned on. Then you have open the setting again, and then you have click on Siri and search. Then you have this two options is turn on your iPhone. I have not used, and then I have not turned on. I have tell about you this fix problem you have turned on your iPhone. Then other solution you have turn off sound recognition. So you have again open the setting and then click on accessibility, and then click on sound recognition. Then you have is turn off. I have already turned off. Then you have turn off, disable this option. Then other solution you have disable aeroplane mode. You have on your iPhone, then you flight mode, then airplane mode, then turn on disable on your iPhone. So other solution you have tried different USB cable and ports on your iPhone, then fix this issue. Then other solution you have restart your iPhone. So you have restart your iPhone. So volume up button and then volume down button, and press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then your problem will be fixed. And then last solution, you have reset all setting on your iPhone. So you have open the setting, and then you have click on general, and then click on transfer or reset network, reset all setting. Then you have given an iPhone passcode, and then do not lose any data on your iPhone. Dear brothers, sorry. Then last option, and then you have use on your iPhone. Then you have again open the setting and click on general, and then software update on your iOS version, latest version on your iPhone, install and download on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Khuda Hafiz.